trying to anchor myself into real life now is getting really, really hard. Because I understand reality so deeply in terms of the science of it, I can look at the observations in nature. I don't even need quantum and physics. Look at the observations in nature, and I know that the Earth is the center of the universe, center of the solar system, center of everything. Primary colors, red and green. The outside of our organism should be red, and it's currently green, evidenced by the sky being blue. It should be yellow. It's a projector in reverse. Look at the model of the geocentric solar system. So you have a Earth at the center, and all the planets orbit the sun. Look what it creates. It's an iris. That iris exists as collapsed light on the outside of a sphere on a rotating Z-plane on the east-west axis. So the sun represents the center of that projector. Take that pattern, place it around the sun. That's what's been projected right here from the center of the Earth. The system is so powerful that it must exist. So we create a machine, a projector, that creates the energy, creates us. So the simulation is the machine. What's real is us, depending on your perspective. You can stand outside the machine and build this entire system simply from the observations that you can see out your window, through your microscopes and through your telescopes, even if you can't tell the difference between them. And you're seeing a machine. You're seeing the machine. You are the machine, you're watching them. You are the projection of what this machine is. When you go back into your real life, back into your consciousness, you realize, the consciousness is aware of itself. And there is a system and a feedback loop that creates it. People say to me, why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? Do this, make people write a book, do this. I've heard, yeah. It just doesn't work like that. I can't explain it to you. It just doesn't work like that. The door has to be opened by someone else. This is a sealed topic. Leve is an illegal document. Because the law itself is corrupt, Leve has become illegal. That reference goes back in, immediately the law becomes moral, becomes of God, and the corruption stops by linking a reference to a document in engineering. Theoretical engineering is the solution. You just have to learn how to do it. And I'm going to teach. I'm going to teach. Someday, make it today. You're going to have to listen to me. I'm just trying to make it as nice as possible when that happens. But the experience of you listening to me is so pleasant that you're glad you did. Follow the Rebel King.